Okay, the first in the revision videos, the ultimate revision videos for C1. We're going to have a look at the 2016, 2015, 2014 paper and just go through the same question on each of them. So once you've done all these videos, you should be able to go into tomorrow's exam really confident. So the first topic we're looking at is just basic integration. So the first thing you've got to do with integration is anything where the things on the bottom bring it up to the top. So what we're going to do with this one is rewrite it so it's 2x to the power of 4 minus. Now to bring this up to the top, the square root of x means x to the power of a half. But then when you bring it up to the top, you've got to change it to a negative. So it's going to be 4x to the power of minus 1/2, then plus 3, and we're going to integrate that. So when you integrate, you raise the power by 1, divide by the power. That's going to be 4x minus 1/2 plus 1 is going to be plus 1/2. Then you divide by 1/2. Any number, you stick an x on the end, and don't forget the plus c. Then you've got to simplify it. So the first one just stays as 2x to the power of 5 over 5. Now this one, you're dividing with a fraction. What I would do is always take the time. So if I'm going to do 4 divided by 1/2, when you divide by a fraction, you kiss and flip. So 4 times 2 over 1, which is going to be 8. So that's going to be minus 8x to the power of 1/2 plus 3x plus c. And that's enough to get you the 4 marks for the first question. Okay, so 2015 version. We're going to have a look at 3b here. So with this one, we can't integrate at the moment, so we're going to integrate, instead of 4x cubed minus 5 over x squared, we're going to bring this up to the top. So again, when you bring it up to the top, you make the power negative, so 5x to the minus 2, and that's with respect to x. So when you integrate it, it's going to be 4x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 5x minus 2 plus 1 is going to be minus 1, divide by minus 1, and again, don't forget the plus c. Again, I'm going to simplify that. So 4 over 4 just goes to 1, so that's going to be x to the power of 4, and then plus 5x to the power of minus 1 plus c. You don't need to do anything with that, but if you wanted to rearrange it, you could have 5x to the power of minus 1, bring that back down to the bottom to get 5 over x plus c. Either one of these will get you the correct answer on the 2015 paper. Next one. This was the 2014 paper. This is the original 2014 paper, not the re-released one. So if we're going to integrate that, we're going to raise this to the power of 1. So it's going to be 8x to the power of 4 over 4. Now the number just goes to 4x. And again, don't forget the plus c. It's a silly mark to drop. And then we're going to simplify it. So 8 over 4 just goes to 2. So it's going to be 2x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus c. And that's how to do the integration questions.